Embark on a thrilling journey as we decode the mysteries of the internet and turn them into a wealth of opportunities. Welcome to our comprehensive, in-depth, and meticulously researched tutorial on the 45 secret websites to make money online in 2024. The onset of the digital age has not just revolutionized the way we interact and communicate, but it has also completely altered the way we work and generate income. This new era, brimming with technological advancements, has unfolded a myriad of opportunities for us to explore. Today, we're not just going to scratch the surface. Instead, we'll be diving deep, very deep into each of these clandestine sites. We will take a thorough look into their unique features, peculiarities, and distinctive characteristics. We'll delve into their operations, mechanisms, and how they function to provide a platform for earning money online. Whether you are a wordsmith with a knack for spinning engaging tales, a tester with an eye for detail, a marketer with a flair for captivating audiences, or a designer with a creative soul, there's a wealth of opportunities awaiting you. We'll explore the varied range of opportunities these secret websites offer, from freelance writing and graphic designing to social media marketing and software testing. We'll not just outline them, but also guide you on how to tap into them effectively for maximum benefit. The internet, a vast and expansive digital universe, is a treasure chest filled with possibilities that are tailored to each skill set. It's not just about finding the right platform, it's about recognizing your inherent skills, understanding the demands of the digital marketplace, and customizing your approach to suit said demands. This journey won't be a leisurely stroll. It's an adventure into the labyrinthine depths of the internet world. It's about venturing into the hidden corners, the lesser-known pathways, those areas often overlooked yet brimming with potential. We'll discover the nuances of the digital age and its potential to provide various income streams. We'll help you navigate these complex pathways, equip you to overcome the challenges, and guide you to unleash your full potential. With each passing moment, the digital landscape is expanding, incorporating newer industries and sectors into its fold. There are untapped territories yet to be explored, possibilities yet to be discovered. It's a dynamic, ever-evolving world out there, and we're here to help you stay ahead of the curve. So are you ready to redefine the way you earn? Are you prepared to break the barriers and venture into the unknown? It's time to embrace the opportunities that the digital age offers, to tap into its potential, and to leverage them to boost your income. So buckle up as we venture into the hidden corners of the internet world, and tap into the potential of the digital age to boost your income. Dive into the vast digital cosmos as we explore the initial set of 10 secret websites in detail. Our expedition begins with an in-depth look at Starter Story, an intriguing platform designed specifically for entrepreneurs who are eager to share their success stories with the world. This unique platform not only offers a forum for successful entrepreneurs to share their journey, but it also provides an opportunity for others to learn from their experiences. At Starter Story, users can monetize both their entrepreneurial journey and their mentorship services to those aspiring to become entrepreneurs themselves. It's a unique blend of storytelling, advice, and the exchange of valuable experiences. Following Starter Story, we have Clickly, which stands out as a dedicated email marketing platform. Clickly is a place where you have the potential to earn by honing your skills in crafting effective and engaging email marketing campaigns for businesses. With the increasing demand for digital marketing, Clickly is a goldmine for those proficient in creating compelling content through emails. Next on our list is TaskRabbit, an innovative platform that makes earning money simple and straightforward. TaskRabbit is a space where individuals can get paid for completing local tasks, which range from handyman services to personal shopping. This platform is a hub of opportunities, linking those needing services with those ready to provide them. Contrastingly, Homestyler is a niche platform designed for the creatively inclined. This website caters to interior designers wanting to commercialize their talent by selling their 3D home designs. It's an excellent avenue for interior designers to showcase their work and earn a living. Continuing our journey, we reach Speechify, a platform that focuses on improving text-to-speech software. At Speechify, users can monetize their time and effort spent on testing and providing valuable feedback on their text-to-speech software. Next, we have User Testing, a platform that values the user's perspective. User Testing rewards users for their valuable feedback on various websites and apps. It's a beneficial platform for users to share their opinions and earn rewards for their inputs. Teachable is the next stop on our journey. This platform is a bustling marketplace for online courses, where users with expertise in particular areas can create and sell their own courses. Teachable offers an excellent opportunity for those looking to share knowledge and earn from it. Veed.io is a one-stop platform for video editors. This website offers a chance for video editors to earn by creating and editing videos for clients. With the increasing demand for video content, Veed.io is a lucrative platform for video editors. Gigwalk is an app with an interesting premise. It allows users to earn by completing various gigs for businesses. The app is user-friendly and offers a wide array of tasks to choose from. We conclude our exploration with Sweatcoin, an app that rewards its users with cryptocurrency for walking. It's a fun and innovative way to stay fit while earning some digital currency. That's 10 down, with 35 more to go. Stay tuned for more. We now delve deeper into the digital realm, revealing 5 unique platforms that are thriving in the cybernetic world. The first platform we encounter is Artistic Avenue. This digital marketplace is a haven for artists, a space where creativity meets commerce. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an amateur just starting, Artistic Avenue provides a canvas for you to sell your artwork or offer custom art services. This platform helps artists connect with patrons in a way that was impossible before the digital age. From abstract painters to graphic designers, Artistic Avenue welcomes all, creating an inclusive and diverse artistic community. Then we have Tech Guru, a platform that caters to the technical wizards among us. This is a cyber hub where tech enthusiasts can offer tech support or share their knowledge through coding lessons. It's a platform that recognizes the value of digital skills, providing a space for coders, developers, and IT specialists to share their expertise and monetize their skills. Whether you're a coding prodigy or a tech hobbyist, Tech Guru offers opportunities to share and grow your technical skills while earning. Gourmet Gateway, the third platform, is a paradise for culinary enthusiasts. It's a digital bistro where chefs, home cooks, and professional bakers can sell their unique recipes or offer interactive cooking classes. Whether you're crafting artisanal pastries or whipping up exotic delicacies, Gourmet Gateway creates a marketplace for your culinary creations, opening up a new avenue for food lovers to earn from their gastronomic talents. Next, Finance Falcon takes flight. This platform is a financial hub where experts can offer financial advice or create comprehensive financial guides. In a world where money matters can be complex and overwhelming, Finance Falcon provides an avenue for finance professionals to share their knowledge, helping demystify finance for the layperson while creating income opportunities for the experts. Then we have Travel Trove, the final platform in our digital exploration. This platform allows travel enthusiasts to earn by offering travel planning services or writing insightful travel guides. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a local expert, Travel Trove provides a platform to your experiences, tips, and insights, turning your passion for travel into a viable income stream. All these platforms offer the potential to earn between $20 to $500, depending on your skills and services. From artists to chefs, from tech enthusiasts to travel, these platforms are revolutionizing the way we monetize our skills and passions. They are breaking geographical barriers, making opportunities available to everyone with an internet connection. These websites highlight the diverse opportunities available in the digital landscape. Regardless of your skills or passions, there's a digital platform waiting for you to make your mark. So dive in, explore, and prosper in the cybernetic world. Next, we venture into the final frontier, revealing the last 5 secret websites. Awaiting us is a vast digital landscape of potential and opportunity. We'll be diving headfirst into the realm of part-time jobs, freelance gigs, advertising, writing, user testing, and online education. We'll be stepping through doors that weren't even there before, into a future where the internet isn't just a tool, but an income source. Welcome to the first stop on this part of our journey, the Side Hustle Database. It's not just a website, but a robust resource where you can find part-time jobs or freelance gigs that fit your skill set and schedule. Imagine a hub for all kinds of remote work, from being a virtual assistant to coding for a startup. Here, you can find the perfect side hustle to supplement your income, or even make it your primary source of revenue. From here, we move to Rapify. It's time to shift gears and explore a platform that revolutionizes the concept of drive time. Imagine turning your vehicle into a moving billboard, monetizing each mile you traverse. That's what Rapify offers. It lets you use your car as a canvas, wrapping it in advertisements for brands you believe in. Your daily commute transforms into an exciting money-making journey, a literal road to success. Next in line is Medium, a digital publishing platform that democratizes the power of the word. If you have a story to tell, an article to write, or an opinion to share, Medium gives you the space to do just that, while also helping you earn. It's a forum that values quality content and offers writers the chance to get paid for their creativity and intellectual prowess. This is a platform that empowers writers and fosters a community of readers and thinkers. We then arrive at user testing, a platform that turns your opinions into cash. Here, you participate in the development process of apps, websites, and software by testing them and providing valuable feedback. Your insights help shape digital products, making them more user-friendly and efficient. You are not just a passive consumer anymore. You are an active contributor, a vital cog in the machinery of innovation. Our final stop is Teachable, an online platform that takes the traditional concept of teaching and modernizes it. You can create and sell courses in your area of expertise, reaching students worldwide. It's an excellent way to share your knowledge, inspire learners, and make a profit without leaving your home. It's like having your own online university. This concludes our comprehensive exploration of 45 secret websites to generate income online in the year 2024. Thus, we have journeyed through the vast cosmos of digital earning opportunities, each website a star in the infinite monetary universe. The digital universe is brimming with opportunities, each one with potential just waiting for you to seize. In this vast expanse of digital opportunities, we have unearthed a collection of 45 exceptional websites, each standing as a unique beacon of potential for online income generation. These websites are not mere digital platforms, they're a revolution in online earning, each providing a distinct pathway to financial success. They encompass a broad spectrum of professional fields and skill sets, ranging from writing and project management to creative arts and design. They're a treasure trove of opportunities, ready to reward your skill, passion, and hard work with tangible monetary benefits. Imagine being able to transform your skills into a steady income stream, all from the comfort of your own home. These platforms can make that dream a reality. No matter what your talent is, there's likely a platform that's built to monetize it. All it takes is a dash of courage to dive in and let your skills shine. These websites are not just about earning either, they're also about empowering you with autonomy, flexibility, and the freedom to work on your terms. You can set your schedules, choose your projects, and negotiate your rates. You're not just an employee, you're an entrepreneur. Each site is a different world unto itself, offering its unique blend of opportunities. Some platforms are a hub for freelance writing, where skilled wordsmiths can find a myriad of writing gigs. Others are targeted towards project management professionals, offering them a platform to manage, lead, and execute projects across various industries. And for those of you with a knack for creativity, there is no shortage of platforms that appreciate and reward original and creative work. From graphics designing and digital art, to music and video production, there's a platform for every creative soul. These websites don't just redefine earnings, they redefine what it means to work. They're a testament to the ever-evolving landscape of employment in the digital era. They represent a shift in the traditional work paradigm, a shift towards remote work, freelance work, and work that values skills above all else. But to seize these opportunities, one must be prepared. The future belongs to those who equip themselves today with the right skills and mindset. They are the ones who will thrive in this new era of digital work, the ones who will ride the wave of this revolution and emerge successful. So explore these websites, let them inspire you, let them guide you, let them be the stepping stones on your path to financial independence. Remember, the future belongs to those who prepare today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and let's keep the spirit of exploration and earning alive. As we initiate our incredible expedition, we progressively delve deeper into the vast, unending realm of the digital frontier. A frontier not formed of physical landscapes, but one teeming with opportunities, possibilities, and countless prospects. The first of these platforms we'll be investigating is Code4Cash, a unique, specialized, and innovative marketplace specifically designed for freelance developers. It serves as a bridge, connecting these talented individuals with opportunities that harness and appreciate their skills. Code4Cash is not just a job board, it's a thriving community where developers can find meticulously curated projects that perfectly align with their skills, preferences, and professional goals. It allows them to offer their services, showcase their talent, and get rewarded suitably for their hard work and commitment. The next platform that we're stepping into is Translate Me, This platform plays an instrumental role in fostering global connections. It is a powerful digital hub that brings businesses and translators together, effectively breaking down language barriers and facilitating smooth communication. If you're someone with a flair for languages and can converse fluently in more than one, Translate Me offers a platform for you to leverage this skill. By offering your prowess in translation services, you can a substantial income, all while bridging cultural gaps and enabling global understanding. We then move on to Eco Consultant, a platform that is more than just a website. It is an initiative, a mission, a movement that puts environmental consultants at the forefront. Eco Consultant empowers these professionals to offer their indispensable services to businesses, organizations, or individuals seek to make their operations more sustainable. It's a platform that recognizes the urgency of environmental issues and offers practical solutions through expert advice. Our journey to explore digital opportunities doesn't stop here. We next look at Fit Online, a platform that has health and wellness core. It enables fitness trainers, experts, and enthusiasts to conduct online classes, share their expertise, inspire people to be healthier, and earn in the process. Fit Online revolutionizes the fitness industry by making it accessible to people regardless of their location. Lastly, we explore Home Chef, a platform where culinary enthusiasts can sell their homemade meals. It's a delightful blend of passion and profession, where you can transform your love for cooking into a profitable business. Home Chef fosters a sense of community, bringing food lovers together and providing a platform for home chefs to share their culinary creations. These websites exemplify the diversity and vastness of digital opportunities available. They stand as a testament to how the internet has democratized the way we work, proving that whatever your skills, interests, or passions might be, there's a way to monetize them in the online world. So go ahead, take your first step towards online success.